Have you ever wondered how Earth stacks up against the other planets in our solar system? I mean, we think we're pretty special here with our liquid water, breathable atmosphere and all. But how do we really compare? Let's dive into some fascinating comparisons. We'll take a look at size, gravity, the length of a day, and a whole lot more. Fasten your seatbelts, space travelers. It's going to be a cosmic ride. First up, let's talk about size. Now, Earth might feel pretty big to us, right? But in the grand cosmic scheme of things, we're actually kind of puny. Take Jupiter, for example. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside that gas giant. And the Sun? Forget about it. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside the Sun. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the smaller planets like Mercury. It's actually smaller than our Moon. Now imagine hopping off a spaceship on Jupiter. Spoiler alert, you wouldn't be hopping. The gravity there is so strong you'd feel like you weighed 3 times what you do on Earth. Talk about a workout. On the other hand, stroll over to Mars and you'd feel much lighter. That's because Mars has less gravity than Earth. You could finally dunk that basketball. Here on Earth, we're used to a 24-hour day. But did you know that a day on Venus is actually longer than its year? That's right. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes longer to spin around once than it does to orbit the Sun. Talk about a long day. Meanwhile, Jupiter spins like a top, completing a rotation in under 10 hours. Speaking of orbits, let's talk about how long it takes each planet to make a complete trip around the Sun. Earth takes 365 days, but the farther out you go, the longer it takes. Mars takes almost twice as long as Earth, while Pluto takes a whopping 248 Earth years. To put that in perspective, Pluto has only completed about a third of its orbit since it was discovered. Now let's talk temperature. Earth sits in what we call the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water and life as we know it. But other planets, not so much. On Venus, surface temperatures can melt lead, while on Neptune you're looking at temperatures hundreds of degrees below freezing. Atmospheric adventures. Finally, let's consider the air we breathe. Earth's atmosphere is a delicate balance of nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases that make life possible. But on other planets, the air is, shall we say, less than ideal. Mars has a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, while Venus has a super thick atmosphere that traps heat like a furnace. So, what do you think? Which planet would you like to visit if you could? Let us know in the comments below. Just remember to pack appropriately. You might need a heavy-duty spacesuit and some serious sunscreen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating space facts. Keep looking up and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos.